Welcome to this tutorial video. In this session, we're going to learn how to edit a row and delete a row in the sheet. To edit a row in the sheet, first open the sheet by clicking on it. In this sheet, we have 3 rows in total. You can see that the item price in the third row is set to 20. Now, we're going to change it from 20 to 200. Now let me select the row by clicking on it, and then click the edit icon to open it for modification. A dialog box will appear. Click the edit button to modify the row. Now the selected row will be highlighted. Click the column, and you can change the data inside it. Once you edit the data, click Save to store the updated information in the sheet. Now the sheet will display the updated data. Now let me demonstrate how to delete a row in the sheet. For this example, we'll delete row 3. Now select row number 3 by clicking on it, and then choose the delete option from the pop-up. Row number 3 has now been deleted from the sheet entirely. I hope you now understand how to edit and delete rows in the sheet. See you in the next tutorial.